Exhaust. The beast mode. Rita, you're a sick man, Jim Leahy. Where are you going to start the fire? Okay. Rita, get away from it. Go play, Charlie. Go. Go. The Bird Machine 3000. I'll go in. Okay. Suppose we got a bigger one.
Yeah, I got it, but the wind blew it out.
Got a pet rock. Charlie. Hey.
I hope it catches.
Definitely got a nice little cozy there. Cozy section. Come on. Don't kick freaking dirt. Get out of here. Look what you're doing. Look at your face. Such a special dog. Hell, dog, what's wrong with you?
Oh yeah.
The king here. Oh. Wearing the jacket is going too good.
There, we won't die tonight.
Yeah, we won't die. Yeah. We won't die tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Not tonight. Oh.
There we go.
That's nice.
I brought some ham if you're hungry. You can cook some ham on a stick if you want. Ham on a stick.
That's kind of what they say now is put like a big long cross on it.
Yeah,
A Viking fire.
something like that.
But that sounds like it would be really easy.
This is nice. Like that?
That's nice. That's really nice.
That's the way I love coming here just to make a fire, bro.
Yeah.
I try not to use any paper or anything, you know?
No, you didn't. No.
Yeah, I used a little piece. Because my lighters were dying. I needed to flame longer. Usually that duct tape works really good.
Yeah.
I don't know why it wasn't lighting. It was just smoky.
Well, you would have done it with a flint. It would have taken, without paper, you would have needed like tiny little.
Well, I would have had to make shit tons of feather sticks.
Yeah, you would need to have like twice as much as you think.
Twice as much as you think.
As you think.
But I like using this stuff. If it's around, I take it, bro. It catches fire like this. And it's already charcoal.
Dope.
Yeah, I see it. I like to block the wind. Yeah, because also it's very hard, eh?
Yeah.
There's already enough air coming in. Did you ever do the one in the ground? You dig a hole in the ground, then you put another
hole and like connecting. Yeah. I've never done that. But and then yeah, that too. Those things are amazing.
They're amazing.
Oh, birds break off.
Yeah,
Like really big rock one time, like a rock wall. Huge fire right next to it, and then a lean-to like built right up against it.
Yeah. On the inside. But it's the opposite. It's not this way. It's this way, so you can put your thumb right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a saw, a scissors. There's a screwdriver under the scissors. That's the
Whoa,
output.
it does like double lock almost, doesn't
Yeah.
it? My whole situation with like, I always brought this like propane fire
Yeah.
starter. I kind of getting rid of it.
Yeah?
Well, I don't know. I just want to do this more. But sometimes it was good for like when I was in a nasty.
Bro, I like that thing. I need to get one. The little one is
Hey,
cool.
don't kick rocks. Hey,
Oh,
I'm gonna kill you. Why do you do that every time? She's booted rocks at me so many times. It's just drives me nuts. The whole thing. Hey, get out of here. Come on.
that little thing that you have, like how long does it last? The little fuel container.
Pretty long, really long.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would say like it could go for hours maybe. Man, whatever that noise is, it must be boats. No, the boats aren't coming in.
I don't think it's that, dude. I think it's the sound of the water echoing with the wind.
No, it's a boat. You look, there's smoke rising right there from the engine. It's gotta be a boat. It's so loud. You can feel it almost.
I mean, all in all, that'll burn for a long time.
Oh my god, this is like the best thing.
I came here, bro, one night. It was like freezing. I stopped. That was the first fire I made here. I was in the woods. I was freezing. I went to the water. I can't go to the water. Too cold. Went to the woods. I needed. I can't. I made this little fire in the pack. I just made one right in the middle of the pack. A little fire, and then you just
It gives you like strength, eh?
and then I could go home.
Yeah. They came up to me so close. It was wild.
I remember
He
when
just sat there and ate in front of me. He was like,
I watched.
you go
when he-
grab a branch and then bring it. He's gone, man.
He'll be back. He'll be back. It might be the ones that live around the bend, though. There's two that live around the bend. Remember when we saw the moose and the cat?
Yeah. That was like a rarity, man.
Bro, you know, if we were walking, I was watching videos, and that's the dangerous thing to see.
Yeah, it is.
It's almost like seeing a bear and a cat.
It
because
is.
The moose will f***ing charge you.
A moose is more likely, I bet.
Yeah.
Dude, I know. It's just like
Yeah, you're like us. You're like her.
Yeah. I know. You guys enjoy the camping life, right? Like,
The little thing.
yeah. Free. All the best things in life are free.
That piece you put on, you said it was wet. It caught instantly.
See, that's fucking
The
good.
charcoal caught instantly.
So nice. Look at this one over there. Rock climbing. Hill, let's stay here, Bob. We're not going yet. Come on.
Like this big one you found. It's like, okay, it's working.
I have like overkill jackets in the back sometimes, just because
You need a jacket. You have something?
No,